Yangcheng Salt Lake in North China's Shanxi province was formed over 50 million years ago. The lake basin has a high salinity center surrounded by low salinity and freshwater areas. Yangcheng Salt Lake is China's oldest and largest sodium sulfate inland lake, and the third largest in the world. As the icy blasts from Siberia arrive in November, the surface of the lake's central area is completely cloaked in white. When the temperature drops below 15 degrees, the saline water has the perfect conditions for the mineral muribolite to crystallize. These translucent crystals are like artworks of Mother Nature. Temperatures, winds, and water flows polish them with an infinite variety of shapes. The salinity of the Yangcheng Salt Lake is 8 times the salt in seawater. This has made the stretch of 132 square kilometers unsuitable for any living creatures. Yet the wonder of nature and the tenacity of life defy human imagination. Red is one of the lake's dominant colors and comes from 2 symbiotic species. One of them is Dinaliella salina. It is the Earth's most ancient single-cell plankton. These tiny organisms thrive on salt, and the high salinity of the lake repels all their rivals and predators, making them prosper. The other being measures about 1 centimeter in length. The red creature is known as the brine shrimp. It can survive in saline water close to saturation. With few competitors for food, these arthropods roam among the algae and breed with abandon. The 2 species mingle and cover the whole lake surface. The lake banks are bathed in blue, showing the high contrast colors. Redness prevails on the lake's surface, as well as on the lake's shore. The wind takes away the moisture in the soggy mud, leaving the dry soil with high saline alkali level. During the transformation, a plant ashore changes from green to red. This is the glasswort, the only plant on Earth that can live in high salinity water. It takes roots in soils imbued with salt. The red stems of glassworts are covered with numerous tiny air vents. The skin is smooth and wafer thin. As they grow and spread, the soil around the lake improves. The roots of glassworts absorb large amounts of salt from the soil. The salinity around the lake is then decreased, so that freshwater plants can grow. The miracle of life manifests itself in Yangcheng Salt Lake. It expands farther afield, creating another round of prosperity.